Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be making some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. So let's go over the ingredients. 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 188 grams. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 115 grams. 1/2 cup of butter, 114 grams. 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 125 grams. 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, 100 grams. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 5 grams. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 gram. And our last ingredient, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 170 grams. And I am using semi-sweet chocolate chips in my recipe today. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. To start off our recipe, I want to make things a little bit easier. So we're just going to take our all-purpose flour, our little bit of salt, and our baking powder. Get all of that in to the bowl. And then just mix all of that together. That's good. Into my bowl, I'll get all of my white granulated sugar, and then my butter. Get all of that in there. And then let's cream this together. That's good. I'm just going to add in my brown sugar as well. Just get that going. Let's add in our egg. And that always helps with the creaming process. Loosens everything up. And we'll get that going. That's perfect. And then I'm going to add in all of my peanut butter. Whatever sticks to the sides, once your mixer is going, just stop your mixer and just push it down into the bottom of your bowl to make sure that everything gets incorporated. We'll get that going. Okay, that's good. You can see how light and fluffy all of that mixture has become. Open up my mixer. I'm going to get in all of our flour mixture. Just like that. And now you just want to slowly mix this together. Do not overmix. So I just have my mixer on speed number 1 at this point. Just look at it. When it starts coming together, then you know you're almost finished. That looks good. And at this point now, I'm just going to dump in all of our chocolate chips. Just like that. You can turn it up just a 1 or 2 just to mix it a little bit. And that is it for the recipe. So here is my cookie batter. I'm just going to use a scoop. I'm going to get in here. And what I like to do is get right in. And then I push right against the side to get myself a nice even scoop, and then right on to our little silicone mat. So you scoop, give it a push, and there we go. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll be back in a second. So I've just finished scooping out all of my cookies, and I have here, what do I have? 6, 10, 11 nice sized cookies. So as a final step, this is optional, but I like to do it. We've got the little bit of granulated white sugar. So I'm just going to start pushing these down just a little bit. Just like that. And then again like this. Not too much, just to get that little pattern that everybody knows, kind of grew up with. You see that little pattern on the top and you know right away that it's a peanut butter cookie. And if you want as well, you can just sprinkle a little bit by hand if you want a little extra sugar on the top. That looks good. So you just push them down. Have fun. This is very relaxing. And our last one. Oh, these are going to be so good. So my oven is set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake these and then I'll be back, and total bake time is about 14 minutes. Hey everybody, I am back. I baked both trays for 14 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. And they look really good. That was my first batch, and this is my second batch. At this point, they're both cool. Let's go in for one. Let's look at the bottom. Look at that. Really nice. Oh, and let's see how these are. Check this out. Oh, look at that. Oh, a peanut butter cookie with chocolate chips. You can't say no to that. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Let's go in for a bite. That is a really good combination. Very good. Yeah, I can't say enough. I really love this combo of the chocolate and the peanut butter. So a super easy recipe. I hope you try it out soon. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for this one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Going in for a bite. So good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.